today I am going to go ahead and show you how to make a Chinese chicken stir fry. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make a Chinese chicken stir fry. What I need for my stir fry, into my bowl here, I have 2 pounds of chicken breast, which is about 3 chicken breasts that I have here, and I went ahead and thinly sliced, and I marinate. And what I marinate my chicken with is some olive oil, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, some white pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some chili flakes, and some chicken bouillon that I marinate my chicken here with. And the reason for the cornstarch, this will make the chicken tenderize, and it will also thicken your sauce when you're ready to cook it. So into my bowl over here, I have half a head of a small cabbage. I also have a very small head of broccoli here. And into my plate over here, I have some garlic and some ginger that I'm going to be using. I also will be using some of my oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, and mushroom sauce. These are my sauce that I'm going to be using to make this dish. My pot over here, I have some water that is boiling, and what I'm going to do, I am going to add my broccoli and steam that for about a minute, not longer than a minute. I'm going to let that steam up for about a minute, and then I'll take it off and I'll put it into some ice bath so it will stop the process from cooking. So I'm going to let that just steam for about a minute there. In the meantime that is steaming, let's go ahead and mix our sauce. So into my bowl over here, I am going to add about 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of mushroom sauce, and give this a good mix. And this is your sauce that we're going to be using to make this stir fry. So my broccoli is completely steamed there. I'm going to go ahead and remove it and add it to some ice bath, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I removed my broccoli, and I have it in some ice bath. Let's start with our chicken now. So into my pan over here, my skillet, let's go ahead and add our chicken. We're going to let this cook up nicely there. This is a 14-inch skillet that I'm cooking my stir fry into. I'm going to let that continue to cook for about a minute or so. At this point, we are going to go ahead and add our ginger and garlic. With some scallions. Give this a nice sauce here. The smell of the garlic and the ginger is so flavorful. Now let this continue to cook for about another 2 minutes. I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of sesame oil. Add a lot, just a little. A teaspoon of sesame oil goes a long way. This is cooking up so nicely here. All the garlic, the chicken is fully seasoned and marinated. Okay, so to my chicken there, let's add our sauce. Give this a nice sauce here. Now let this cook for an additional minute or so. This is a very quick dish, takes no time at all. Okay, this is looking so lovely already. Look at that deliciousness here. Okay, to that I am going to add back my broccoli and my cabbage. Give this a nice quick sauce. And you're only going to cook this for an additional minute or a minute and a half because you don't want to mush your vegetables. This is cooking up so nicely here. Look at all that deliciousness. Takes no time at all. Okay, I am going to go ahead, turn my stove off because the heat's going to continue to cook my vegetables, so I don't want it mushy, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my stove off. I will plate it and let you see what it looks like. And there you have it, guys. A Chinese chicken stir fry with broccoli and cabbage. There you have it. If you like this video, guys, kindly give it a thumbs up. On the right hand corner of the screen, there's a notification bell. You can go ahead and click on that so you will not miss out on any of my video. Today I make you a delicious Chinese style stir fry with chicken, broccoli, and cabbage. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.